Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated a new District Medical and Health Officer DMHO office building in Nongpoh yesterday. The inauguration ceremony was attended by Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare, MLA of Nongpoh, Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi and other officials. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma expressed his satisfaction at the completion of the project, highlighting that the DMHO office building represents a significant milestone for the region. The construction cost for the new office building was Rs 18.4 crore.
Inaugurating this very important building, which you are aware that has been pending for quite some time. In fact, this was the work started in 2021 and finally we are today completing it. This has been done, as you're aware, at a cost of 18.4 crores.